Hello friends, so in this video we will learn how to replace the error in edit query. So this is the error. Due to this error, sometimes your calculation or measure or calculate will not work properly, or sometime this row remove automatically when this will go or load into the Power BI. So for handling these types of error or preventing to delete your error during the load time due to this error, just right click on error column. Here click on replace error. Okay, wait for a second and here type NA or something. If you want to give any value, then you can give NA. Okay, so our error has been replaced. Thanks for watching, guys. This is very common and simple, I but I but I want to tell you because this is necessary step during the loading the data in edit query to Power BI. Okay, so thanks for watching.